For this mini bench build, I bought 5 92-inch 2x4s, one 2x4 by 1.5-inch piece of plywood for the top, and then I cut them down into the pieces you see here. I also use this drill, a set of drill bits, and a 90 clamp plus 2.5-inch wood screws. So I started off by putting together the base for the top, which is two 45-inch pieces and two 24-inch pieces. You can see here I'm hooking up my 90 clamp to begin the process. I'm drilling pilot holes and then dropping in the screws. You'll see later on in the video that I use a few other clamps. That's optional. It does help quite a bit if you have them. And I picked up this set of 4 clamps that I have for like $30, so nothing crazy. All the wood cost less than $100. So you can see that I'm dropping in screws on both sides of the leg to get as much support and stability as possible. So here I'm lining up where I want to drop the supports, adding in a pre-drill so that it's simple once I get up there, and I decide on about 12 inches from the ground up to the bottom of the support. So I put this first one in by hand, and then I end up clamping the other few. Made a bit of a mistake here, should have cut these 45 inches. Those lengthwise supports were at 42. You can see here I got a bit lazy, didn't drill the pilot holes, and I wouldn't recommend that. Can crack your wood. Finishing up the supports here, and all that's left is the top. I only dropped 4 screws, one in each corner, but you can add more as you see fit. I'll probably end up adding 2 to 4 more in the middle piece, in the middle section.